I did something ridiculous and took my shop and tore it down because, well, I have a pandemic's amount of time in my hands at home, so my brain is going a little nuts. So what I decided to do is build a 2-foot shelf all the way around. I have a piece that's going to go here. So this is another like another channel. So there'll be equipment here. So why did I get into this? Well, I had to rewire this. So I had to do a whole bunch of things. So I had to rerun this wire here because I have 2 circuits that are in this garage, and I needed to rerun all of this stuff. And then I had to get up in there and cut a hole and do a whole bunch of stuff, and yeah, I got carried away. I got carried away so far that I have this console over here. So this underneath this tarp is a Wardbeck Systems L2042. So it's a 20 channel 4 subgroup, but then it has this patch base. So this half of, sorry, there's a 19-inch wing of this. So it's a rack mount that is patch bay. On that side is monitor section. So I want to use this as my test jig for fixing modules. I know, it sounds so ridiculous. So I'm going to pull out this bench. This bench is disappearing. All of this load, the audio precision, everything is going to go up on the equipment shelf here. So I'm going to keep the multiplexer up there, and that is going to be a big, it's going to be a huge savings because I'm going to be able to plywood this off, and I should be able to plywood all of this off. And then if I wish, I could put a hatch here, and I could just cut off the sound of all this noisy equipment. I have a computer. The computer is going to go, so the computer's always been tucked behind this section here. So I'm kind of building like a mobile. So I think this is 72 inches and this is 81. So this is the size of the console, 81 by 72, and the console comes out to 44. So I only have 30 inches of space at the back for my chair. Anyway, it's gonna look ridiculous. Anyway, it's all I have. I've thought about knocking the bench out so I could go further out this way. So couple problems with that is if I do that, this bench was screwed in from this side, so I gotta chop this off at 44 inches, and then the console should be able to go underneath, well, it'll go underneath the Bridgeport, but I don't know if it'll go underneath the Gorton. So that Gorton I've moved like 100 times, and then this wall will have to change. I did ram the Bridgeport through the thing when I did put it in, but I don't know. Anyway, this is what I got myself into. This is going to be my Easter weekend project, and it'll be interesting. Anyway, have a good one. Enjoy your isolation. I hope you're using it to do something productive.